What is going on, bulls and bears? Super crypto. We're going to do a quick TA on Ethereum. So Ethereum right now, in terms of where RSI is in the day, we're at neutral. So neutral seems to be 18 around. I'd say around between 1878 and 1913 is where neutral really lies currently, at least on the day. Looking at the indicators that such as the total crypto market cap and the DXY. Total crypto market cap, I mean, there is a possibility for us to push one more time. My concern is I haven't seen that push above $1.2 trillion dollars. Ultimately, what I'm looking for, and I actually should be switching to the day. Ultimately, what I'm looking for is for us to retest our previous high, and we haven't necessarily done that quite yet. So that's why I kind of believe there's going to be a little bit more downside. The downward trajectory um, is still at play, in my opinion. DXY, that upward swing that I was talking about, where it's starting to reverse, it looks like it's starting to happen now. So those are the two indicators that I'm looking at. However, if you are bullish from this point and there's a lot of upside potential, we would need to test a new high somewhere between 2184 and 2212. So that would be the next high to test. Ultimately, if you were bullish, I'm sorry, if you are bullish, that would be the bullish scenario. On the way up to that point, pay attention to the following targets: 1915, 1962, 2038, and then the two targets that I mentioned. If you're bearish from this point, let me go take a look at the 4 hour real quick. The 4 hour shows we may have one more top because RSI never really reached the overbought state completely. We could bounce from here as well. So let me see, at least on the 4 hour. On the day though, I mean, it's possible, but I'm kind of leaning more towards this downtrend just because of how volatile a lot of the moves were. I mean, look at this, that one hammer that we got where we reached close to like, oh, is it this one? No, it's this. It's this it's this one. This one, look at the wicks on this thing. That's what concerns me, right? How we just like we dipped down and then that same day we had a strong wick and then another push, but we never continued higher. So that's my concern at least. So pay attention to 1878. I'd say support at 1803 and then the next support at 1735. So somewhere between 1735 and 1678 is kind of where I think our size is going to reach the oversold state. So we'll have to wait and see how things play out. Outside of that, that's really all I got for this video. So be sure to trade safe, trade smart, and don't forget, we're all in this together. Peace.